Hey gang, Laura here for More Than Rewards. As you already know, More Than Rewards has over 1,800 motorcycle dealerships using our products and services, many with multiple franchises, such as Scott Fisher Enterprises. We've recently introduced our new free Powersport CRM, along with our Contact Central dealer call center, and dealers have been blown away so far by what we've put together. So if you haven't had a chance to see our new products and services just yet, we have a feeling this is going to be exactly what you've been looking for. So hopefully your crew will like what I'm about to show you. Okay guys, so the first product is our Sales CRM. Our Sales CRM is unlike any other CRM system you've used in the past. And if you're already a More Than Rewards customer with a Gateway PC, activation occurs within 1 hour of contacting customer support. Besides, if your sales team has used V-SEPT or Traffic Log Pro in the past, once you see how easy our CRM system is compared to those other products, they're going to love you for choosing the More Than Rewards CRM. They'll love it because we took all of the things that people hate about CRMs and we tossed them out the window. Then we designed a system from the ground up with 3 simple things in mind. First, it has to be fast. Second, it has to be so easy that someone can start using it in less than 5 minutes with little or no training. And third, it should focus on what helps salespeople sell more products, which is setting appointments, logging notes, and following up with customers. It's going to take a salesperson less than 30 seconds to create a deal, capture customers' information, log a note, set a follow-up appointment, and send out an email. Your team will love the simplicity, and once you add Contact Central to the mix, you add the ability to have our call center follow up with every pre- and post-sale. So let's get started. I'm going to give you a quick overview of our CRM. There are basically 5 modules across the toolbar. The first is what we like to call the dashboard. This is a high-level overview of your entire sales department's activity, so you can quickly see each salesperson's productivity and real-time discussion thread of any notes logged. You can also see a breakdown of your weekly scheduled appointments. The second section is called Deals. This is where you'll be working most of the time. The third is a task list, and this is basically a to-do calendar list. Unlike other CRMs that force you to create a log before you can create a task, our CRM allows you to create a task outside of a deal or within a deal. This is great for internal tasks such as scheduling department meetings with your coworkers or quick reminders which are not part of a deal. The fourth is your inventory. The inventory is updated daily based off of the data found in your dealer management system. This allows you to link any inventory to particular deals. What's unique about our inventory module is that you can also use instant vehicle history reports on your entire used inventory using our QuickBins product. QuickBins is similar to Carfax and is a report that is a great way to add value to your entire used inventory. What's nice about the module is that once a QuickBins report is requested, it can be published on your website instantly or sent directly to the customer. The fifth action is Contact Central. This is our built-in call center module which allows your salespeople to view all of the details gathered by our call center and even listen to every call using built-in call recording. Most of the time, your salespeople are going to be working inside the Deals section. So let's click on Deals. Deals are grouped into 3 categories. The first is pending. These are deals which are currently active that a salesperson is trying to close. Won and lost deals are pretty self-explanatory, and hopefully every deal that is logged in the CRM will eventually land in the one bucket. You'll notice that each category has pre-identified stages. For example, the pending category has the standard greet, probe, identify a machine, presentation, sit down, test drive, and write-up, while the won category has deposit, F&I, layaway, accessorizing, and delivered. The takeaway here is that we can customize the stages to match your sales process. So if these stages don't match what you're currently doing, we can easily change them for you. Another thing you'll notice is that we have a search box where you can type in the things such as a customer's name, phone number, email, and much more. It works a lot like Google searches where you can quickly find a deal you're working on. The sales pipeline shows you a total dollar value of what your salespeople are working on. Another thing we've added to our CRM is the process of a deal's timeline. This is basically a timer which counts down X number of days, and if your salespeople can't close the sale before the timer reaches 0, the deal is flagged as lost and assigned to a sales manager to review. So it's a great way to keep things moving along in the sales process. Alright, so let me show you how easy it is to create a deal inside our CRM. The first step is to click the Create a Deal button. Since we synchronize all of our customer data from your dealer management system, all you have to do is start typing in their last name and it will auto-complete all of your customers' information for you. So you don't have to retype in their address, city, state, zip, phone, email, or any other information you already listed in your DMS. After I select the customer, I then choose a stage. By default, you'll choose pending. At this point, you can select the inventory the customer is interested in. This inventory list is updated daily based on your information found within your DMS. If the customer doesn't share with you what they're interested in, you can just skip this step for now. Enter a max budget of what the customer is looking to spend and any kind of background information about the customer which might be helpful, such as their spouse's name. Now, if I want to, I can immediately set up a follow-up with the customer from this screen. But in this case, I'm just going to create the deal. So that's all your salespeople have to do to create a deal inside our CRM system. You'll notice once a deal is created, I can then log a note to that deal. I can even send a customer an email directly from the CRM by clicking their email address. The system automatically adds a signature footer to my email with my contact information. Another great feature of the system is that I can send a delayed email by choosing this option if I want the email to go out a few days later instead of going out immediately. This is helpful if I want to schedule a follow-up email reminder. After my email is sent, it creates a log in the Sent Email tab where I can easily view the email. Now let's say I want to move someone from the greet stage over to the sit-down stage. To do this, all I have to do is take my slider and slide it to the correct stage. Now, if we click the system notes, we can see a note was added showing the exact date and time I changed the sales stage. I don't have to worry about writing a note in the system because it keeps track of everything automatically for me. Also, take note that my sales cycle is counting down, so I only have 89 days left to close the sale before my sales manager is notified. The stage can be customized, so if your sales cycle is less than 90 days, we can easily adjust it to fit your dealership. If you'd like to set up a follow-up appointment, simply choose Tasks, enter the details, and push Add. It's simply that easy. If you've not noticed how fast each screen is, let me quickly click between these different screens. You can see the screens come up almost instantly. There's no load time. So when a salesperson is working on a deal, they can quickly update deals, send emails, and set follow-up appointments in just a few seconds. Let's see the other CRM systems out there do that. There's no doubt that once your salespeople see how easy it is to log a deal in our CRM, they'll love it because it becomes a tool to help them make more sales. So now let me show you something really cool we have called Sales Buddy. Let's say your salesperson walks a customer out to their car to say goodbye, or maybe it's their day off and they're at home watching the Packers play. Basically, they're not sitting at their computer and they want to log a note. All they have to do is call the More Than Rewards Sales Buddy number on their cell phones and leave a message for themselves. So let me show you how it works. John Smith loves the bike. He'll be back next week to test drive it. Now I walk to my desk and I click Contact Central. I choose Sales Buddy. You'll notice there's a text note of the call I just made. Our Sales Buddy system took the voice call and converted it to a text. I click on the Assign to a Deal button. I choose my deal from the list and notice it instantly assigns to the deal. Pretty cool, hey? This is a great tool for salespeople who are not always tied to their desk. They can talk to multiple people on the sales floor at the same time. And then after they're done, they can walk back to their desk and assign all of their voice notes to the deal without having to type a single thing. It's a great little trick for those hunt and peck people out there who can't type very well also. The Sales Buddy comes standard with Contact Central. Okay, so now let's talk about Contact Central. This is the automatic call center that's built directly inside our CRM. You're going to love this. So to show you how it works, I'm going to create a deal. Let's see how long it takes me. Wow, 20 seconds to create a deal? Not bad. Oh, and one more thing. If you've not noticed, there's a section on the deal which indicates where a manager has to review the deal. This ensures that all of your managers have a chance to review the data that's entered by the salesperson, and also gives them an additional coaching opportunity with the salesperson. So if all goes well, the salesperson will close the sale the same day. But let's just say they don't. If that happens, then our call center should be calling the customer and doing a pre-sale call. So let's click the Contact Central tab to see what's happening within Contact Central. Notice some activity has started for this customer. It's counting down 8 hours. If I can't close this deal in 8 hours, then our call center will be notified to contact the customer. There's a post-sale follow-up as well, which gets triggered when a deal is marked as won. So let's pretend our call center contacted a customer. Here's what will happen. As soon as the call is made, it changes from yellow to green, letting you know that the survey is complete. From there, you can click the View Results of the survey, allowing you to view the details our call center gathered. You can even listen to the calls using our call recording technology. In addition, a sales manager or owner can be notified via email. So let's do a quick recap. First, the call is sent to the call center. Second, it's completed and the summary of the call is emailed to the manager. Third, the trigger changes from yellow to green, allowing managers to go back and view the results. You can either get the results via email or just open the deals to view the results. But wait, it gets even better. Let's say you want to look at the results for your entire dealership, not just the results from that one deal. All you have to do is click the Contact Central tab, choose the follow-up report you want to look at, enter the date range, and push search. You'll notice within a few seconds it gives you a complete summary of all the call center results. You thought that was good? It gets even better, because we mask the caller ID number to match the number of your dealership, or any number for that matter. In addition, every call gets recorded, and we can even customize every survey question. So that's how Contact Central works with the CRM. So there you have it, our Powersport CRM working seamlessly with Contact Central. Give our team a call at 414-326-4100 to get turned on immediately.